Oo, sa video.
Near microorganism or blood some near from places, that's all.
What's that? Right? Video.
Your question is, what is your main reason in joining this kind of contest? Before I answer this question, to the judges, to my fellow students, and to all the parents and people that hear the light, good evening. The questions run this way.
Nice.
What is your main reason in joining this contest? I joined this contest to showcase my talent to everyone. And I joined also this contest to be a leader and a steward to my fellow students. That's all. Thank you. Your question goes this way. What do you think you can do to minimize the global warming that we are experiencing now? First of all, before I answer this question, I want to say to all of you, good evening. My question goes like this. What do you think you can do to minimize the global warming that we are experiencing now? As a student, I can help to minimize the global warming to avoid burning the plastic air pollution effect to our atmosphere. That's all right. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go to our Mr. Agnes. Welcome to the Parliament. Your question goes this way. If you are given a chance to be born again, would you like to be a scientist or an environmentalist, and why?
First of all, I want to greet everybody good evening. I want to choose both of them because both scientists and environmentalists have similar responsibility to our nation. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 1. Your question goes this way. Who is your favorite scientist and why?
My favorite scientist is Galileo Galilei because he discovered telescope that we can observe the stars in the sky.
Thank you, candidate number 2. Candidate number 3.
Discover the sky.
Here is your question. What do you think is the best technology invented and why?
Pwede Tagalog. Before I answer this question, good morning to all of you. The best technology in me, the computer, because the computer you connect many videos and you connect it to electricity. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 4. Thank you, candidate number 4. The question goes this way. Explain the juice we use and recycle.
We use the juice and recycle is that we can make a product by using it.